James here, and today we're taking a look at the DOVOH Professional 4-plane laser level. This is their K4-360G, guys. Inside that box, you're going to be greeted with this very cool hard shell slash soft shell carrying pouch, almost like a tool pouch, with their logo and strap to carry it. Of course, with that, it is zippered closed, and inside you'll be greeted with all of the devices on hand. First and foremost, 2 batteries. Now, with this, you can use up to 16 beams of laser. If you use just 4 beams of lasering, guys, you're going to get about 26 hours per battery off of this. If you use all the beams, you're going to get about 8 hours of usage. Now, it does come with the charging cable. This is a USB to USB-C charging cable. It does come with the charging brick, of course, to charge those batteries. Now, you do get the user manual if you need it, and I would suggest taking a look at that. You also get the wall target. This wall target is magnetic or connectable, or you can connect it up by a screw. And this will give you the adjustability to target on a wall if you need with that, which is actually very nice to see that they have that. You do have a couple of the plain connectors. First and foremost is the scissor jack. This is just a standard one that sits on there, fully aluminum. And you just twist it, guys, and it will lift up the actual base to give you a little height of adjustment if you just need this piece. And that's cool that they give you that, of course. But the one to resist all is actually this piece right here. This is a fully adjustable plane, guys. This means if I twist this handle, of course, like that, you guys will see that it swivels this on the base back and forth. You also have a couple other connections, and I actually just dropped that off. Not a big deal. Pop that back in, guys, twist it on. Just like that, and you're good to go, and it's fully tight, and you don't have to worry about that coming off. Of course, my bad for doing that. Right here. Now, this is where you'll connect it up to the laser. On the bottom, you'll connect it to a big tripod, or you can connect it up to, you know, like a wall mount if you need with that. You are then greeted with this very cool laser level that does 16 beams, 360 degrees all the way around. You have side lasers, top lasers, and a bottom laser plane. You also have a magnetic connect. That connect is what's going to actually turn or lock this lasers on or off. To put a battery in, you will literally have to pop this little base over here, just like this. The base will come open, and that's where you'll slide your battery in. And that is one of these lithium-ion batteries, 7.4 volt, 2600 milliamp battery. That battery is going to give you a good amount of battery life, you know, anywhere from up to multiple hours usage with that. Pop it in, connect it up, and you're good to go. On the side is your charging base. If you want to charge it just on this, you can charge it while it's in here. You're totally accessible to do that, and that's why they have the USB to USB-C cable for this. To turn it on, you will literally slide this switch, and once it's on, you'll start seeing beams everywhere. If I start hitting buttons, of course, it starts beeping, but we can actually turn that beep on if we want, or off with that. And you have multi-beams sections with that, of course, bouncing around. We're going to switch it off because there's another piece that we need to show you. That's right. First and foremost, of course, it does come with a charging brick. The charging brick is just a standard wall plug, guys, that you plug your USB port into. But that's not all, guys. It comes with this very cool remote control. This remote control will allow you to do your horizontal and vertical beams just by a press of a button with that. So I can actually turn them on or off and start using all the beams that I want with that. I like that it has all that connectabilities on hand. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to actually get out a stand. We're going to put this in the middle of the room, and we're going to light up some walls. I'm going to try and drop some lights so we can actually show you guys this. Okay, now that we have it hooked up, guys, you guys are seeing the beam. And if I hit the remote, I can actually start changing some of those beams, of course, with that. Now, you guys will see that it is actually in this mode where it's actually beeping, of course. And we can actually stop that if we need. Or I can hit this target and shut that down, or turn it back on and adjust it. Now, with that, guys, you have the angleability. It was beeping because it was not level, but that happens. But you guys see that beam over here, guys? If I start hitting, you'll start seeing more beams, and they'll start bouncing everywhere. Of course, we can have multiple beams pop up all over the house. Now, of course, I do have some lighting still on here, but if I start moving around the house, you guys will start noticing that the beams go all the way around my place. which is quite cool. So guys, the DOVOH is a very beautiful, beautiful laser level with remote control. So if you need the DOVOH K4 360G 4-plane, might be a great option for you. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great one.